Hello student, today we are starting with the lesson number 5 cell structure and organization from biology subject 5.2 kinds of cell. During the last lecture we have studied about the 5.1 cells. Let us remind what is mean by cell. Cell is also called as a structural and functional unit of all the living organism which are capable of the existence and can perform the functions of life. As we know that without cell none of the living organism can exist. Now starting ahead, living organisms are grouped into two main categories. One is prokaryotes and another one is eukaryote. As we know, there are two kinds of cells present. So, let us see the prokaryotic cells. Basically, these prokaryotic cells which are there, these are generally found in bacterial cell or unicellular organism. It has chemically complex protective cell envelope. It does not have well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound cell organelles. Cell envelope is a three-layer structure with outer glycocalyx, middle cell wall, and inner plasma membrane. Likewise, the three-layer of prokaryotic cells is present. How will you identify the prokaryotic cell? Now, it is by staining method, which is also called as Gram staining, developed by Danish bacteriologist named Hans Christian Gram, from which Gram staining experiment he conducted. The cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, which is called as gram-positive bacteria, and another is murine in gram-negative bacteria. It gives mechanical strength to the cell, and cell membrane is a phospholipid bilayer. All these structures give protection to the cell and also helps in intercellular transport of the food particle or another activity which is taking place inside that cell. Now, another one is eukaryotic. But before going to eukaryotic cell, let us see the image. This one is prokaryotic cell image. The whole image is of bacteria. This is the cilia, which is called as flagellum, by which the motivation is taking place, means motile, from transforming from one place to the another place. Flagellum helps. Inside which food granules are present in this prokaryotic cell. Here ribosomes are there. The cilia which is there, hair-like structure called as pili, and a chromosome is present in nucleoid region. Capsule or simple layer, another one is plasma membrane, and inter one it is called as cytosol, and this is plasmid DNA. Likewise, the prokaryotic cell image you have to study because this can also asked during the exam time. Now let us see the eukaryotic cell. It is well advanced eukaryotic cell because the cell in which the nucleus has a definite nuclear membrane and known as eukaryotic cells. These cells exhibit presence of membrane bound cell organelles. For example, cells of protist animals, plants and fungi. the eukaryotic cells have different shape. In plant cell there are different, in animals they are different, and in fungi they are different. And physiology. Physiology means the reactions which are taking place inside the cell. But all the cells are typically composed of plasma membrane, cytoplasm and its organelles. These organelles also called as cell organelles. For example, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex, etc. are present as a cell organelles, and a true nucleus is present inside which the DNA, RNA is present. Now, let us see the image of these eukaryotic cells. Here you can see this one is a plant cell which is rectangular in shape, while here it is animal cell in which Golgi vesicles ribosome, smooth ER, nucleolus, nucleus is present, rough ER, large central vacuole is present, but here vacuole is absent in the animal cell. Amyloplast is present. The blank portion which is there, it is called as cytoplasm. This orange color which are there, these are called as mitochondria. Cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole membrane, rapid crystal truss, mitochondria. In these, all the structural means cellular organelles has their different functions inside the cell. Here if we see the animal cell, lysosome is present, Golgi vessels are present, ER which is common, rough ER, smooth ER that is endoplasmic reticulum, cell plasma membrane, ribosome, centriole, nucleus, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria, which is called as microtubules also. But here the vacuoles which are there, these are not present. In this way, today we studied about the kinds of cell, in which one is prokaryotic cell and another one is eukaryotic cell. Thank you, student.